Sonnet 24 by William Shakespeare. Mine eye hath played the painter and hath still thy beauties form in table of my heart. My body is the frame wherein 'tis held, and perspective it is the painter's art. For though the painter must use see his skill to find where your true image pictured lies, which in my bosom's shop is hanging still, that hath his windows glazed with thine eyes. Now see what good turns eyes for eyes have done. Mine eyes have drawn thy shape, and thine for me are windows to my breast, where though the sun delights to peep, to gaze therein of thee, yet eyes, this cunning one to grace their art, they draw but what they see, know not their heart.